Welcome to the Auspicious Agile blog. This week, we're going to talk about the company that went agile with a big bang. Now, we'll call the company Acme Inc. Acme was a company that was used to using traditional project management methods, and they were planning to make a move to enterprise wide agile. They had a group of project managers and a PMO that had been doing most of their projects and leading them in a traditional way, what we would call waterfall from an agile perspective. And this team had been responsible for leading most of their projects. Now, the company decided that the switch was going to be a very sudden one. They were going to change everything over at once, and they were going to make the move from traditional projects to enterprise agile. So they gave the boot to all of their traditional project managers and PMO organization in favor of agile. Now, this is one way you could do an agile transformation, but is it a good way to do it? Is it a beneficial way? Well, you can imagine the employees who were remaining in the company were probably very confused, upset, maybe scratching their heads and not sure if they were going to be the next ones who would be getting the boot in this enterprise agile transformation. Now, this is not necessarily the best way to build trust and respect with your teams and with your team employees in the company. Trust and respect are essential in Agile. If you're going to be making a transition to enterprise Agile, you want to use the lean and agile principles of respect for the individual and having consideration for the thoughts and feelings are of the people in the organization. Now, is there a better way that possibly Acme could have done this? Not to say that I can tell you the complete outcome of this, but I would imagine that it's not necessarily the outcome that they would have hoped for. Now, they could have taken the time to work with their current project managers, with their current people who are working in different project management disciplines, and to look at ways that possibly they could transition into this brave new organization, enterprise agile change that was being done. We know that not every person who's a project manager is going to be a good scrum master. It's a different skill set. Some people are very used to command and control, and they have to adapt to be able to work in a scrum environment. But there should be some planning of career and what possible options there might be. Maybe somebody might make a good product owner because they have great knowledge of the business and they've been using and running projects as a project manager or program manager. Maybe they're a good scrum master. They've worked closely with the technical teams and they know what the teams are doing and are able to help remove blocks. Or maybe they're a good agile manager. They're good at working with contracts and looking at the bigger picture and reporting on budget. A lot of different possibilities for someone besides just simply getting the boot. So I'd love to have you think about different options for your organization, and please do stay agile. Again, thank you for listening in, and I'll talk to you next time.